So grateful for the Rephidim Project and for these preaching seminars that are just so encouraging to build up pastors and preachers in their daily life as men, as Christians, as sons of God, and also as pastors and preachers, technically helping us sharpen the tools that we use in the creation of sermons and delivery of sermons for the glory of God and for the sanctification and salvation of His people, and also just to encourage us. Not merely technically, but also emotionally and spiritually, to refocus what exactly it is what we're doing as we preach the Word of God and why we're doing it. And it's my second one. I've left both times highly encouraged and very excited to get back to work in doing what God's called me to do, to minister the Word to His people. So I'm grateful for the Rephidim Project. Can't wait for the next one. And so grateful to be plugged into a preaching cohort as well, which is also extremely encouraging and very beneficial to my everyday ministry.